Most generic AI tools are flying blind when it comes to your brand. They don't know your content, your performance, or your audience. Hootsuite MCP connectors give AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT secure access to your social workflows and real-time data, so your AI can actually act, not just answer. Draft and schedule posts, triage your inbox, track brand sentiment, and share advocacy content, all without leaving the tools you already work in. Connecting Hootsuite only takes a few steps. The exact process will vary depending on which AI tool you use. Visit the MCP Integrations webpage to find the right setup guide for you. Let's look at what each connector does. Perch is your content creation, planning, and publishing connector. Draft posts, schedule at the best time, and review your performance across networks. Imagine it's Monday morning. Instead of staring at a blank content calendar, you ask your AI tool to draft and schedule a new post for the week using the creative assets you already have. You review, approve, and post, all from the AI tool you're already in. And when you jump back into Hootsuite to check on things, the post is already there in your calendar, exactly where you'd expect it. And when you need to know how your social content is performing, ask how a campaign did in plain language and get results in seconds. Pull cross-network performance data and campaign results without switching surfaces. Next is Nest, your social customer care connector. Your team handles hundreds of conversations across every channel. Ask what's urgent, what's been waiting more than 24 hours, and what can be resolved right now. Triage your entire inbox without opening a single message. Next, Lumen is your social listening connector. Generic AI tools guess at brand sentiment with far fewer data sources to back it up. Lumen connects workflows to Hootsuite's actual listening data, real conversations, and real sentiment that's happening right now. Ask what people are saying about your brand, what's trending in your industry, or whether a mention spike is a moment or a crisis. Lastly, Parliament is your employee advocacy connector. Advocates can see and share Parliament content straight from the AI tool they're already in. Ask what can be shared on social today and get relevant, ready-to-share content pulled straight from your Parliament topics. Advocates pick what they like, share it to their own connected profiles, and schedule it based on recommended posting times. Your social workflow is already in Hootsuite. Now it travels with you and your team into every AI tool you use. Check the latest trends in Lumen, draft and schedule posts with Perch, triage replies and DMs for your team in Nest, and share advocacy content in Parliament, all without leaving the tools you're already working in.